Hello, trading is closed on June the 13th, 2018. Yesterday we said the pattern was weak unless these highs were taken out early. We also said we thought we were pretty close to the high of the whole leg. Well, this target was hit and there was a support resistance level. This target was hit and there was resistance over it. This is the pattern with the early low, late high, and a counter trend move in the middle of the day. It typically closes at the day's high. If it doesn't, and if we don't promptly take out this high tomorrow, it should lead to lower prices. We had the FOMC announcement. Typically there's a three-leg whipsaw. Here's the announcement: down, up, down. Each leg is typically bigger than the one before it. This one came up a bit short. That'll happen sometime. But the rule is the first move after the announcement tells you what the next move in the market's going to be, and that was down. We had a weak buy early in the day from EJT. It just means there's a target at a higher price. In this case, the target was right on top of the move giving the signal. It means there's resistance slightly over the target price, and that's what it showed. You don't have to act on a buy if you know you're close to it and there's resistance. EJT said this rally was false. We'd come back, said the drop was false, and we'd come back, and all those things worked. We have a pattern, as I say, with an early low for tomorrow. If we can't take this out early, we're in trouble. This is the fib grid we showed. The high here was 27. The target was 27.92.48. Today's high was 27.91.47. Difference of 1.01. And unless proven otherwise, I think that's the high for this move. Here's your wave count. Here's your A. Here's your A, B of B. If you look, you have a nice 5 waves up. If you look at wave purple capital B, if that's the height of A, there's your perfect 78.6 right over there, just what you need. That means we should be heading into purple C of B, and if this is the height of A of B, and if they're equal, C equal to A, we can wind up back in the 2500s. Here's another inverted diamond on stilts. Here's the origin of the first of the left stilt. Typically the first test of that holds. This should hold. If we challenge it tomorrow, it's not the second challenge. If we challenge it a few days from now, that's a repeat challenge, and those usually succeed in a big way, leading to much higher prices. I don't think that's going to happen. If you look, today's low not only undercut the intervening lows, it undercut this prior high. That's negative action. Here was June 8th, one of my dates. This is June the 11th. This high is close enough in terms of time to be within the parameters. This is a retest which is immediately rejected. This is the actual high. This is it's right on time, and this is a high at slightly higher levels. Trader VIX rule is, as soon as we trade under today's low, that marks a reversal. It doesn't mean we have to get it right from the open. This is a wall into the close, and we certainly could gap up tomorrow. But I think this is a perfect setup in terms of time, Fibonacci ratios, and chart patterns to mark the end of this leg. So here's where we are. Here's your 1. Here's your A. We're making an ABC for B. And once we get the B finished and the C finished, which as I've said should take months, that's going to be blue too. But for right now, I look for a very substantial drop, quite possibly into the 2500s. And if I'm wrong, we should find out early tomorrow by gapping up and promptly taking out these highs. I don't think I'm wrong. I think this is the start of something big to the downside. And even if we go up first tomorrow, which is likely, I think we have quite a big drop in front of us, and that's today's call.